Magandang hapon po ng January 6, 2024, Saturday, at ito po ang mga resulta ng 5 PM digit games na 2D Lotto at 3D Lotto. 2D Lotto 5 PM result ngayong hapon ng January 6, 2024, Saturday. Ito po ang mga sumusunod na numero lumabas para sa 2D Lotto 5 PM. 3D Lotto 5 PM result ngayong hapon ng Saturday, January 6, 2024. Ito po ang mga sumusunod na number na lumabas para sa 3D Lotto 5 PM. See you again later for 9 PM result of Grand Lotto 655, Lotto 642, 6D Lotto, 3D Lotto, and 2D Lotto for January 6, 2024, Saturday. Tonight's jackpot estimates of Grand Lotto 655 is 605 million pesos and Lotto 642 jackpot price estimates is 11 million pesos for Saturday, January 6, 2024. Thank you for watching this 5 PM video for January 6, 2024, Saturday. Don't forget to subscribe and hit notification bell for more Lotto result update.